guys, it's your boy D Fresh in the building. Guys, what we're going to do today, we're going to go over Thursday's game plan. Before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get that notification. That way you stay on top of these dynamite plays that we throwing out. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. First ticker up, newbies, beginners, where y'all at? We're going to get down for you guys. I got ticker symbol RBLX. Pay attention to this one. They report before the bell tomorrow. So by the time we start live session, all the drama and the nonsense have been already going down. So we just need to wait and see what they're going to do. I'm going to have my eye on this one because if they report something good and Wall Street like it, this thing is going to fly. So right now they're sitting at 75.10. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 75.80. They can do that. They're going to start running even higher. You got 76.10 on deck, 76.70, and then 77 bucks. On the downside, you want to see this level right here at 74.70 get taken out. They can take out that right there. You got 74.40 on deck. They trying to get to these bottoms right in here, 73.90, and then boom, you got 73.40 before they start getting back into this area, 72.90. But guys, we'll play this one in real time because we don't know where it's going to be at after earning. It could boom real high up north, $80, $85, or they can come down really low. They can come back down to that 67, 65 area. So that's one to keep your eye on. Next ticker up, guys, they report tomorrow at closing. AFRM, Affirm Holdings. This is another one, newbies and beginners, that can make some money that you can jump into without breaking the bank. They're sitting at 62.90. If you are a bull, you want to see them open at around 63.20. They can do that. They can start running this thing higher. They can keep the push up alive. On the downside, you want to see them open somewhere around 62.40. They can open around 62.40. They're going to try to pull this thing back. Next level down is going to be 61.60. Next level down, boom, you got 61.20 en routes to them trying to break down this stuff down to here at 59.30. They lose that, they're going to fall hard. They can pick up some momentum and really start pushing this thing down. Expect a little earnings run up before the end of the day. Guys, that's two tickers for you guys to pay attention to. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? I got one that's going to report tomorrow at opening, LLY. As if you see, they're sitting at 843.25. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 844.70. If they can do that, boom, they're going to run this thing to 847 and they're going to keep trying to boom this thing higher. But again, they're going to have their reporting out before the market is even open. So you got to keep your eye on this one, see if it's favorable towards Wall Street and they start pumping that thing. We'll pick an area for them to consolidate in, and then we'll dive into that one. As well as Wall Street don't like it and they decide to start pushing this thing down, we'll find an area in the chart where the bears might want to come to, and we'll fix our eyes on that one and we'll play that as well. So this is an area of interest, 831. If it's negative, if it's something that Wall Street don't like the numbers, look for 831 tests before bulls try to get back in it. But again, we'll handle in real time once they start taking down those areas. Next ticker up, guys, we're going to do Tesla. Tesla sitting at 377.40. Guys, I put it out. I told you guys, me personally, I don't like Tesla to the upside until after it passed 390.60. Until then, they're going to keep playing with you. They're going to try to run it up and they coming right back down. So I wouldn't be jumping into anything. I mean, if you're thinking about buying shares, then that's different. Buying shares is okay because you ain't dealing with premium burn. You ain't dealing with any of that stuff. You don't take a loss until you sell. But in options, unless you are a skilled scalper, sniper trader, then yeah, it's definitely money to be made in some of these pumps and drops. But if not, then I wouldn't advise it. I'll just keep waiting and see what they do. See if they get back to that 390 area. If they can get back up there, then they're going to try to pop this thing back up north. But until then, I'm good. I'll sit back. I'll just watch the fireworks go down in Tesla, to the upside or to the downside. But if you playing this one right here and you are thinking about getting in, what you want to see is you want to see the bulls open this thing higher than 380.25. If they can do that, they can start a little run up. You got 381.60. Next level up is this stuff up in here, 384.90. They break through that, then they can start trying to make an attempt to get back to that 390.60 area. But we'll handle Tesla in real time regardless what they do, whether they trying to boom it or continuing to drop it. So on the downside, what you want to see is 375.50 get taken out. They can take out that. You got an area interest at 374.65, and it gets crazy after that. If they start losing that area right there, I got a level at 373.20. Next level down is going to be 368.10. Next level after that, 365.90, and then boom, you got 359.80. I told you guys a couple videos ago that I was watching Tesla when they reported their earnings last week, and they had that big pull down to 369. I said that it's gonna be on my radar. And you see Tesla tried to boom it a couple days ago, and I was like, guys, I wouldn't fall for that right there. They are unable to take over that 415.20 mark that I've been telling y'all about. And I told you, if they can't take over that, they coming back down. And so where are we at now? We at 377.30. So it's still an area of interest. That 369 that I saw, innocent until proven guilty. Next ticker up, guys, we gonna throw the SPY on there. All right, guys, if you see in SPY, they sitting at 604.60. I had a play in the Discord where I told you once they broke a certain area, they was going to get to, I think I had 604.25. They're higher than that right now. If you are a bull, you want to see them open somewhere around 605.10. They can do that. Next level up is going to be 606.30, and then boom, you got 607.50. Next level up, boom, 609.90. So that's possible tomorrow. We'll sit back, we'll wait for these levels to get taken out, and then we'll get on them. On the downside, what you want to see is these bottoms right here get taken out, or us open lower than 602.80. If we can do that, next level down is going to be this stuff right in here. You got 602.20, and then they lose that, boom, you got 600.85. They lose that, you got this area right here at 600.10, and then boom, you got 598.50 on deck. So there you go. There's a couple tickers for you big baller shot callers. That way, once you guys see these areas get taken out, you already know what to do. But another thing I want to bring up, and I probably should have did it in the beginning of the video, but guys, we got a jobs report tomorrow coming down at 8:30. So that will move the market. Right now, if you are ready to play, it ain't really much you can do about it. But if you haven't jumped into play, let's wait and make sure we paying attention to what the market is telling us before we jump into play. Do not get faked out. Wall Street is famous for that. We ain't going for it. So I just wanted to put that out there to let you guys know. Right now, we're going to go ahead and give some shout outs. We got GG511, D-Fresh. I was about to sell AVGO, but then you posted the levels. Therefore, I stayed in and made more profits. AVGO made $918. CRWD made $210. Total profits of $1,128. Thank you so much. No, congratulations. Champagne bottles in the air. I am super duper proud of you. Man, that is great work that you was able to understand the assignment and dominate the mission. I am super proud of you. Keep grinding. So, guys, if y'all see that play right there, we've been talking about, I put AVGO on the radar sometime last week. It was sitting around 198. I said, guys, put this one on your radar. I said, this one get the pumping. This is gonna boom. They got some booming power. I put a price target of 239, 240. Guys, you see what they did today, and they've been on the move for the last couple days. But just showing you guys that I prefer to scout, but don't get it twisted. When I throw out a swing play, it should be all eyes on that play, because I got something in mind when I put those out there. I got a target in mind. I've did my research on it. I already know what's going to happen, guys. I ain't let you down yet on none of these swing plays. Pick one. You already know every one of them done been knocked out of the ballpark. You know how we get down. But in this play right here, look where we at. Right now, we're sitting somewhere around 235, but look where they boom this thing up at to 238. A little over $1 off. The first target was 239. I put a range 239, 240. You can go back and check the video that I put out where I put eyes on AVGO, and you'll see what I put in that video right there. And man, did we knock that one out of the ballpark, guys. Everybody that didn't get it when I put it out when we were sitting under 200, I put it out when we was at 218. I said, guys, if we open higher than 218, 219, put this one on your radar because this one got some punching power. I like this one to the upside, holding above 218. Guys, I'm putting those levels out. Do your due diligence, but if your due diligence match what I'm saying, man, I'm telling you, that's like gold right there. You can already count on it. So shout out to you guys that was able to catch that play, make some money on it, and get down. So I am super proud of all of you guys. Another one that I want to put out is Walmart WMT. I put that play out, and man, that one went crazy. I said, guys, another swing play that I put on the radar way back on December 23rd. Told y'all the price target was $100. Look at it now. They hit 102 today, and they still was grinding. So good job on everybody that was able to catch that play, understanding the assignment, and dominating the mission. I am proud of you guys too. But guys, you already know it doesn't matter what ticker you guys put out there, what ticker we pay attention to. If we call in the shots, you already know we're going to dominate it and we're going to make tons of money on it. So again, I am proud of you guys. Shout out to y'all. Keep doing the doggone thing. So to all of you that's watching that's not in the Discord, what are you waiting for? Get in the Discord. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. Guys, look at that ARM play on here. ARM calls a break and hold up at 164.10. That play went up $10 from that call out right there. That is amazing money. Amazing money. Great money. Shout out to you guys that was able to catch that play, dominate it, and make money. I am super proud of you guys. Champagne bottles in the air for all of you that caught it. But we're going to go ahead and get out of here, guys. I done took enough of your time. But hey, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.